इन लम्हों के दामन में पाकीज़ा से रिश्ते हैं।
Ashutosh Gowariker is excited about his fresh innings in television with a show titled Everest. The widely acclaimed director is making a show about the conquest of the Mount Everest. Featuring new faces of Teleland, this show will also star actors like Milind Gunaji and Rajat Kapoor. Conceptualized by Gowariker, this show will be directed by Glenn and Anukush and the music will be composed by A.R. Rahman. While everything was falling into place for this show, Ashutosh faced newer challenges. The unit we hear was set up to wrap up the current schedule Everest in Harshil, Uttaranchal, and then head to Nepal. But unfortunately for them, the plans went kaput when nature played spoilsport. A sudden snowfall in Harshil has delayed the schedule by at least a week to 10 days. At the moment, the first unit is waiting in Nepal, but the second unit is still stuck in Harshil. We hope the intelligent director overcomes these odds to give us entertaining and meaningful drama.